Good morning and happy Parents' Day. Today is a beautiful reminder that behind every strong child stands two pillars of love, sacrifice, and guidance parents. They are our first teachers, silent protectors, and tireless dreamers who believe in us even when we doubt ourselves. Let this day inspire us to honor their journey, reflect their values, and grow into the kind of people they always hoped we would be. Cherish them, celebrate them, make them proud. Happy Parents' Day. The theme for the 2025 Global Day of Parents celebrated on June 1st is Raising Parents. This theme highlights the idea that parenting is a skill that is developed and requires support, resources, and a nurturing environment. The focus is on the importance of equipping parents and caregivers with the necessary tools and knowledge to raise children. ജൂലൈയിലെ നാലാമത്തെ ഞായറാഴ്ച എല്ലാ മാതാപിതാക്കളെയും ദേശീയ രക്ഷകർത്താ ദിനമായി ആചരിക്കുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ മാതാപിതാക്കൾ എവിടെയായിരുന്നാലും നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ അവർ വഹിക്കുന്ന പ്രധാന പങ്ക് ആഘോഷിക്കാൻ ഈ ദിവസം സഹായിക്കുന്നു. നാഷണൽ പേരൻസ് ഡേ ഹോണേഴ്സ് ഓൾ പേരൻസ് ഓൺ ദ fourth Sunday in July. No matter where our parents may be, this day serves to celebrate their important role in our lives. National Parent Day is observed on the fourth Sunday in July, and in 2025 it falls on 27th July. This day is celebrated to honor all the parents who play a vital role in the lives of children. Their unconditional love and sacrifice for their children cannot be measured. President Bill Clinton in 1994 signed a congressional resolution creating National Parents Day as a legal holiday. Senator Trent Lott, a Republican, introduced the bill. The global goal of uplifting and promoting the role of parents in child rearing. Thank you, my dears. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.